Hi guys, good morning. This is Salman, and today I'm going to tell you about myself, and I will just tell you the reason that why I'm here. Okay, you will definitely see my Infinitive Training Institute. I'm coming with a YouTube channel, which is totally an education channel for you guys. For you guys, in this channel, I'm going to teach you spoken English, IELTS, and other languages. Also, after that, after the spoken English and IELTS, I will teach you Arabic also. But first of all, I will just discuss about the spoken English, and I will just tell you that why I'm here. Because of that, when I came back from abroad, and I have seen over here in Pakistan that the people, they have a big problem that they cannot speak English. Actually, they want to speak English. They know English very well. They know each and everything. They can write, they can read. But when the time of speaking comes, they don't speak. So in this channel, I will teach you that how to speak English. For that I have 14 lectures, only 14 lectures. In these 14 lectures, I have my 7 formula also. You'll have to watch that 7 formula. That is very important lecture for you guys. And I have sketches of past, present, and future. That how to talk in past, that how to talk in present, and then how to talk in future. It's a game of word. So let me tell you guys, let me tell you students, that if you want to learn a language, okay, so there are two kind of, and these are the sketches. I will tell you that in how many forms or how many past tense, and you will have to even write the answer in past. So it is very important that how to talk in present tense or present sense. And I have also a lecture relevant with the passive, which is very important for you guys, because the Pakistani guys, the Pakistani people, the Pakistani student, they can speak very well, but they don't know how to speak in passive. So I will teach you that English is a game of verb. Once again, remember, English is a game of verb. If you learn verb very well, you can speak a good English. So guys, stay tuned with me and wait for my lectures, and inshallah you will soon see me on my YouTube channel, ITI Infinitive Training Institute.